we're out and about today. No takeaway. So I thought, instead of doing a takeaway, because I've got a few things to get, we would come here. It's a bit dark where we're sitting. Let me show you. Toluca, a Mexican, £8.50, and we've just had a bit of a bonus. I've had burrito. Nat's had I've had all paprika chicken burrito. Nat's had a nacho burger, 2 pack. I don't know if you can say that properly. We both had the lemonade. Say hi, Bab. £8.50 each, which I don't think is bad from sitting out. I paid for it for the 2 meals. Paid for the 2 meals and 2 lemonades. And he charged me 14 quid. Bonus. I just said to him, I think you're going to charge me. He says, Till's fault, don't worry about it. Absolute bang on. So we got a meal for free. Superb. Yeah, so we've been out doing a bit of shopping, getting some stuff for the lads' graduation. Haven't we, Bab? And so I thought, well, instead of doing takeaway, we will do a takeaway away. I'm going to do a takeaway this week. I might do it like Saturday or something. So there is going to be one coming. Well, I thought today we'll do this. So yeah, a nacho burger, 2 beef patties topped with melted cheese, crispy nacho and chunky salsa served in a pretzel bun with French fries. I've never had one of them before. Mine's a baked wrap filled with rice, cheese, black beans served with French fries and a side salad to choose from. I didn't pick a side salad. I don't know if he's just going to give me something. I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's it. And we will let you know when the food comes. I will show you. It might be a bit of an echo because we're sitting inside. Let me show you first, actually. Sitting a walkway, so it might be a bit echoey if you get what I mean. Not a lot I can do about that. Well, I thought I'd show you. I thought I'd show you the menu anyway. See what you would have picked. So you can either have a main meal or 2 tapas. Any 2 for £8.50. So let's go through it. Hopefully it's not so blurred. Scroll down so you can have a look and see what you'd fancy. It's the tapas bit. Our food is freshly cooked to order as well. Waiting times, it's going to be a bit of a wait. There's the mains on this one. This is just the lunch menu. I was going to have a bandit's beef chili, but I fancied a burrito, so I thought I'd have one of them. That's them. That's just the lunch menu, as you see. Oh, and the main menu is here, which I think you probably get a lot more when you have the main on the evening, don't you? You're probably bigger and everything, so that's why the prices are a lot different. Chili jam, and I've just looked at this as well. Look at that, I might get that one day. Bucket of wings, 15 quid for 2. 15 chicken wings served in a choice of barbecue, peri peri or sweet chili. I might get that one day. Yeah, there's the menu. Dirty rice. Rice that hasn't been washed. It's rice that hasn't been washed. Dirty fries, nice. Yum. Yeah, so I thought, I did get asked actually to come here ages ago, and I never done it. I was walking past and I seen that menu, that lunch menu for that, and I thought, that ain't bad value, is it really? Obviously it's not going to be massive, is it, like an evening one, is it? It's going to be like more of a street food, walk around thing, innit? It's going to be good enough, innit? But we'll see anyway. Look at this, guys, look at this. Look at this, 2 for £14, I got it for, look at it. Look at that, look at that burger. I mean, even for £8 each. Even for £8 each, they're well worth it, ain't they? Look at that. A bit close there.
Really nice. It's nice, delicious. Good choice. nice.
Look at that. Chips. Salad looks lovely. Burrito. So there we go, guys. What do you think altogether? You reckon that's worth £8? I do. Look at the size of that burrito, it's full. I mean, I also got mine a bit cheaper because the till cocked up. But that's bang on, isn't it? Absolutely bang on. Let's try one of these chips. You can see the crunch, feel the crunch on them, can't you?
You will have those. That burger's amazing.
I don't want to get other people in. Let me move my camera around. Move it around this side. Don't want to interrupt other people or having something to eat. There we go. What's that like, Bab? Oh! Yeah, move it over there. Knocking everything over now. Can't wait to get stuck into this. Got some salt. How you can eat your burger? How have you? Is it nice?
All of it's really nice. That coleslaw's really nice as well.
I could try and make this at home, couldn't I? Looks delicious, doesn't it?
You did too much talking.
I know. Yeah, but I've got to get, look, yeah, but it's that nice. You've got to get the videos in, ain't you? You've got to get the video in because it looks delicious. Try a chip now on me. Them chips are about as perfect as you can get, ain't they? That crunch and then that soft in the middle. Them chips, they're yeah, all freshly made. They're delicious. Oh yeah, that's for the crunch, isn't it? Let me show you. Oh. That's for the crunch. Oh wow, well, we've been here before. That is amazing, isn't it?
I'm going to try the burger with this house round the bottom.
It's huge.
Massive.
And we put it against my head, look. How big it is. So it's big, it's not like a little thing. I'm going to cut it in half to show you.
That salad's really nice as well.
That salad
That
nice.
It's like a smoky taste to it.
Get
Is that crunch then?
Yeah, that crunch.
That salad's amazing. I like brown nose. That dressing's really nice. Jeez.
Got all that in there. Oh, let's have a crack at this. Let's have a crack at this.
Delicious.
That is heaven. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This food's amazing.
Wow. Oh, and that's also a little kick. I think this is the first time I've ever been out to a proper Mexican.
Yeah.
Ain't it?
Pardon me, I've never had Mexican.
Never been out to like a place to have a Mexican, have we? That. Oh wow.
I was a bit
That's got a
worried.
lovely kick as well, that has.
I was a bit worried that we've never really eaten Mexican food before, but this is delicious.
That's delicious. That looks really nice. That burger.
That burger's well nice. All that.
God, I know. Double patty and everything.
Loads of salad.
Let's try some of this
Nachos.
salad.
Whatever they've put on there, it's amazing.
I'm trying to get a good angle for you so you can see. It's like a sweet chilli on it. A salad.
Yours probably has more now, so mine's got like a smoky. It's like a smoky.
You might be having a burrito. It's nice. It's very nice.
I can taste the
And you think of this at dinner time? I mean, it's not dinner time, I mean, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so yeah, dinner time. Wouldn't eat nothing else all night today with this, do we? Was expecting to be a little street food. Well, look at it.
It's well worth the money at 50 each.
That is well worth it, isn't it? If you live in Lichfield and you haven't been to Toluca's, come, it's absolutely, in the daytime, it's absolutely bang on. And it's really cheap. Under the archway opposite Wilco's, there. It's superb. Opens at 12:30 till 4:30 is the lunch menu. Wow. Wow. Well, I'm going to go and eat it now and enjoy a little bit. I'll bring you back in a minute.
I've been trying to slice it up a bit.
Go on, have a go. Now you think about it now, right? That was like $8.50, right? That was supposed to be $8.50. That was $8.50. We're going to McDonald's in a bit to get the lads a McDonald's on the way back, which is going to cost the same. What would you have? Wouldn't you?
That's so nice.
You know, the lad wants a McDonald's, bring him back, so I said I'll bring him a McDonald's back. That's going to cost you £8. And you got this in the daytime.
I'll definitely come back here again.
Yeah, 100%. I said I'm going to back and try them chicken wings and everything.
Yeah.
Do a takeaway on them or something.
Yeah.
Want to do a live stream or something, maybe order it and then come and pick it up while the live is going or something. Come on.
I'll take it all of it. That's really nice.
I'm full as well. I won't eat half of that burrito. I'm up to my last half, that's it, that's all I've got left. Full. Struggling, wow. I'm going to sit and eat it all in my bab, take our time, enjoy it. We've both just been saying, this is the best one we've been to on the channel, isn't it?
Yeah.
By far, absolutely by far, and for the price,
Yeah.
isn't it? Altogether, it's absolutely. Even like Weatherspoon meal's probably about £8, isn't it?
Yeah. This is proper nice. As if
So sometimes it's worth. We were only walking past and I seen the menu on the table.
we looked the other week though, didn't we?
Yeah, but we didn't look at the menu, did you? We just walked past. Then I seen the menu on there like £8.50 and I thought, oh. It wasn't open then when we walked past and then I thought, oh, we'll come here.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting it to be like this nice and this big.
It's so nice. I so enjoyed it.
Yeah. Probably be another half hour waiting trying to eat it, won't we? It's that full. Probably the camera probably doesn't do it justice how big it is, does it? You know what I mean? But
Well, see, so food,
yeah.
yeah, $8.50 for that burrito.
Yeah, and then chips and
Chips, salad.
I could sit here and I could eat it all day. Just take my time all day. I've been massive time. That's how nice it is. And we're on our way home now. That was my belly is popping out. And that's in the food going, ain't you, Bab? She's like, oh, so nice. Really was. Yeah, and for the price, I know I got it cheap because the machine messed up. I paid £14 something, and that was with the drinks. So it's usually like £8.50, which is, I think, an absolute bonus, isn't it?
For what you get as well.
For what you get. Yeah,
Very nice
best one I've done on my channel, isn't it? By far, by far.
Yeah.
So if you live in Lichfield, I'd highly recommend it. Yeah, I'm just saying, like half 12 till half 4, it's cheap. You know, I mean, you've seen what we got for normally £8.50. Yeah, 100% Toluca underneath the walkway where Wilco's is, and bang on, absolutely bang on. And we're definitely going again, ain't we? 100%. Yeah, we're going to say we'll take the lads there. 100% we're going again. I've got nothing else to say really, because it's just so nice, weren't it? Everything was just so nice.
They're really friendly. It's
The
really
chips,
clean.
yeah,
You get loads of food.
yeah. It was just all the food, weren't it?
Yeah. And I'm
The salads, everything, weren't it? It was just wow. I've got to have to try and replicate that at home now, won't I? I don't think I will either, but no. Well, there we go, guys. Yes, there was no takeaway, but we've been that. And to be honest with you, with the stuff it cost me to do a takeaway, whatever I was going to do, that's probably worked out cheaper, ain't it? You know what I mean? So, we'll see you all tomorrow. So when I've been at McDonald's for the lads, look, you know, that was £6. You know what I mean? And that burger, you know, a couple of cheeseburgers, fries and a drink, and that was £6. And look what we had for £8.50. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to go now then. I'm nearly home. We'll see you later. Bye bye. Say bye, Bab.
Bye.
Bye.